5 years ago, musical theater majors started MPOW. We're so excited that in our 5th year, it's still going strong. They knew what the transformational power was of the arts because they experienced it. And they thought it was so crucial to reach out to kids who maybe in the public schools did not get that opportunity to start providing that on this campus with our students. And it is an amazing experience.
So what happens is every semester, once a semester on a Friday, we bring in like 130 to 200 kids. We run like an hour of performances, and then we also do workshops throughout the day in all disciplines, not just SMTD, but also like other student orgs on campus. It's really awesome.
At least for me, I started realizing that I loved the arts when I was about 3rd to 5th grade. We choose this age of students because it's the age that they can realize that you can major in something that you're passionate about. And I think that they come here and they're like, wow, all of these kids are just majoring in this and they're having so much fun doing what they love, and it's really just a career in your passion.
Arts is kind of limited in our schools, and it inspired our children and motivated them to learn the arts that was presented here today. It was awesome for the children. And I hope that this experience inspired them to want to be a part of college and college life.
You see these kids, they come and they realize, seeing it in these college students, they realize that there's a path forward, and they make the connection to these students, and it's just incredible. And for our students, it just opens hearts, minds. I'm just so proud of them. It's just been passed on from year to year, and the students have really just stepped up every year.